Of course, we have also got some much more luxurious items.
We have,
Yeah,
for the very discerning gardener.
Yes, yes. And they all happen to be from the Sophie Conran range at Burgon Ball. So
beautifully crafted.
Beautifully made.
Designed to last several generations, be family heirlooms.
Yes. So what have we got here then, Laura?
So this is a lovely compost scoop. Absolutely beautifully crafted. Oh, lovely little finishes on it.
Yes.
Like this.
Yes. Very nice.
With a piece of brass around the handle here. Lovely ergonomically balanced compost scoop.
Yeah.
We actually use ours for our bird feeder.
Oh, do you?
Like with peanuts. Okay. Multi-use. So that's particularly nice. And then the next one, along the same style, and again designed by Sophie Conran, is the garden rake. Again, all these come beautifully boxed, so very nice and easy to wrap. But again, the same style with the little brass collar there. Again, just a lovely thing to use. Lovely thing to use. And then the final item, which I think is such a good idea, if you're the sort of person that uses a lot of herbs in your cooking and you're always buying supermarket ones, and obviously it's nice to keep them going for a bit, this set of herb pots is designed to sit on your kitchen windowsill there, and they're just the right size.
Oh, that looks lovely.
Yes, so pop in your supermarket herbs.
And I think we've even got some labels to go with those, haven't we?
We have. We've got a range of labels, so you just pop in the right label with the right herb, and it's a way of beautifying your kitchen.
Yes, yes, great idea.